Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny. Today I am going to teach the another important stuff. If you are a programmer, if you want to work passive income while you sleeping, this is the best way. You have to make money online while you doing the program in parallel. So this very simple, easy way. That is not a hard work. So you have to create the account on the Adobe Stock. So you just go to the Google and type contributor, contributor Adobe Stock. Here we are. You can here create an account. You can create the account. After that, you will be able to. After create the account, you can get the and login. You can get into this dashboard. Okay. So I have opened. I have created the account and I could earn money online from generating the AI ads. Okay, this is AI technology. Okay, so here this is a simple way to earn money online. This is not that much of earning. There are many creators earning more than $2,000 per month from the AI ads generated tools. Okay, so it's very simple tool, simple way to earn money online while you sleeping. So here how to create this kind of arts. Okay, so there are the platform which is providing to tools, which is a mid journey and playground AI. There are many tools are there, but if you want to go for a cheap at the first time, okay, you don't waste more invite more investment. Okay, so you can start with the playground AI. The playground AI, the price will be cheap. You can invest only the $15 per month, but you can generate 200 images per day. Earlier we can generate 1000 images per day. They are reduced there nowadays, only the 200 images per day. Okay, so okay, this one should be here. You can see all the, you can read this one, all this unlimited. Other things are 200 images per day. Okay, you can create unlimited. Okay, so this is the plan, you can go for it. So here I already purchased it, the one. So here you can type some other font. Okay, you can go and if you want to, if you don't have any idea how to start with this, you just go to the Adobe Stock, not contributor. You don't need to log in the contributor account. Adobe Stock. Here you can say no copyright image also. You don't upload any copyright image. Okay, that is not okay. So here you can search it the images. So I'm going to upload the images. Here is a search bar. I'm going to type as cat. Here you can click the filter option. You find it as a generate AI only. Here you can get the idea. These are all the images are AI images. You can see that this label as AI images. That kind of images you will be able to create as a AI, and you will be able to upload the money. Simple. Okay, when you are relaxed and you are having a tea after complete your coding, you can have a simple relax in your mind. You just type, go to this tooling and type cat play. You just type cat play, just get cat playing. You can write awesome cat playing. Cat playing at home, at home, at home. Click create. Here at the time it will be created 4 different images. If you click create, at the time it will be created 4 different images. It will be created. Okay, the number of images you can select it over here. If you want one, you can go along with the one option. I want to be created as a 4. It has been created 4. Here there are the images which will be created as a cat. here we can't get 4 images because the 2 or 3 images will be good, other one is not good. So you can look at the image here. These are the images, just some images here. This is beautiful. Here you can see here like this. Here these are the images you can go and upload on your AI. Okay, so here these are the various things you can create. Okay, so here I get the lion face. Okay, okay, you can get angry lion face. Okay, so you can click create. It takes some time because my internet connection is little bit slow, that's why it takes some time to create. If it is fast, it will be created here. Say angry line, you can take it this image here. Here this is also image here. This one you can get it here. Here you can get this, click download. Okay, it will be download. Okay, so here this image is so much. If you want to go for the another option upscale, this is more. If you want to the more quality, you can go along with the upscale option if you want to more, but the face retouching is enough for to upload the image into the Adobe Stock. Okay, if you want to go for the any other platform like AR generated platform, free pick like that, you can generate this one. Okay, it asks the more quality image, so you can go this one. Here after download, the images look like this. Here it come as a 6 MB. Here the quality is good. You will be able to upload the image on ARs and you will be able to make money on it. So I'll be show you the way as well. Here if you click on upload, there is a drag. Here I already have many images for review. So here I'm going to select where I have downloaded. Here go to here, I'm going to download and update it. So this angry, this one. Okay, so you have to click open. Here it takes some time to upload. So here while you're uploading, okay, it keep on uploading. Okay, here you have to wait until the uploading is completed. Okay, here these are the images still review. Okay, so it still I have uploaded. Okay, you can upload only for review 500 images. After review that 500 images, after that only you can this all the images you can submit. Okay, so I already uploaded 500 images for review. Still they are reviewing the image. After they are reviewed successfully, after that only this uploaded only we can submit. Okay, so this file, click on this. Here first you have, this is not a this image you are not taken from the photo. Okay, your phone or camera, it is a high AR generated, so you have to enable this option. You click on this option, this is must. Okay, it asking the recognize people or property. This is not a people or property, just click no. Here they provide the title. What's the title? So I'm going to create the title here. It is suggestion some title of from the Adobe Stock. This is the artificial intelligence program. What is the photo you uploaded? Based on the title will be displayed. This suggestion the title as well. Here portrait of lion. Okay, you don't like this kind of title, you have to write your own. You have to write it as angry lion face like that. So after that it automatically took some keyword suggestion. These keywords are regularly people are searching for. So I want to go for some other one, lion face, something like so, something like lion face, lion is there. You don't need to click on it. I want to add this all things. Okay, it will be what is the image you uploaded based on the title. The keyword suggestion will be displayed over here. Lion face, tiger, cat, so all things are there. Okay, now that's the thing you have to do it. So I can't save this work only, I can't do it anything else because already here the file is, we can't submit the file because the problem is I already have for review for more than 500 images. So after review these images here, after review these images only we can upload the few steps. Okay, so if you are a programmer, if you have any time for spending, for you can earn the money from the online for the when you are relaxed time. Okay, while you are having a cup of tea, you just upload one image. Very simple. What is your imagination while you installing your, while you having the cup of tea? What is the thing come to your mind? Okay, so that will be, you can put it here. This is the here trust programmer life. This is your imagination. This imagination I want to make it as art. How would be the art would be created? How the art would be created? Let's see. These are some images. Okay, here this image, this prompt will be created ourselves. If you have this prompt be created by ChatGPT, it will be provided as a different way. Or Gemini AI here, trust programmer here. These are the images. The trust, this is a trust programmer here. This image is very nice here. You can see here the trust program. This is the here. Okay, these are the images. Very, you can have it here. Different images are created. You can get them. Okay, these are the images. Okay, so your think is must, right? Okay, while you are earning money online, thank you for watching. These are the best way to earn money online nowadays. So all the nowadays, the day by day we have a our expenses are rising. So here you have to make the online for the passive income. The passive income is day by day it's grown up. Okay, you have to change your life as a passive income. While you sleeping, you can earn money online. Only you can earn if you go to work and you can earn money only. That is not enough. The passive income is must nowadays. Thank you for